have been working for 20 years side by side with the pioneers in additive manufacturing to enable the adoption of the technology. We have broad material expertise to address the application-specific needs of our customers. Converting new applications to 3D printing requires a close collaboration between machine manufacturers, material experts, software editors, and end users. With a dedicated team of scientists and 3 centers of excellence, one for each printing technology, our cutting-edge facilities are open for collaborations to our customers and partners.